Section 5, Davidson Sparks in 1, 1067 TC in 2, Pirates Track Club in 3, Arden Track in 4, Wolverines Track Club in 5, DC International in 6.
If this holds, we're in 5th right now, but there's still 7 more heats. We're in 5th. There's still 7 more heats now.
What did that one do?
That's DC International. 52 and change in that opening carry. DC International 52-60. Here comes DC International. It's the Wolverines in 7th.
Hey, that's a crisp kitty deal. 54. Hey, that's a second
Still DC International. Wolverines in 2nd. Pirates Track in 3rd. 143 at the exchange. Now in 3rd, that's Arden Track. Challenging Wolverines for 2nd. Back on front is right now all DC International. 1 to go for this one. It's DC International hit number 6. Wolverines hit number 5. Arden Track hit number 4. DC International not doing any going. 237 after 3 carries. 237.46 for DC International. At the bell, 3-on-1, DC International. Taking it up a notch. Less than 100 meters to go for the Lions. This is DC International. It's 1 to 3.